Welcome everyone. You're watching Tejaswini's Tarot, and this is the time for the energy guidance. And this guidance will come to you from April 20th to April 26th. For the guidance and announcement, we have Tejaswini's next WhatsApp workshop coming up from April 26th to April 30th. And this is a workshop on meditation. And here we are going to learn 10 guided meditations, 10 processes that will be shared with you through customized videos, through text notes, through illustrations, and through daily guidance by me, who's the facilitator of this workshop. So, how does it help you? It definitely helps you in these very challenging times when we are bracing up for the new energies. We're going through a lot of transition, and this workshop will help you to energize you, to center you, control stress, enhances your sense of well-being, increases your immune system, your focus, your intuition, your creativity, helps to work on your connections and your relationships. So, to register in this workshop, the link of the landing group where you can join for registering is along with this post, and the last day to register is 18th of April. So do register and enjoy the benefit of this workshop. Now coming to this week's energy guidance. So we have some challenging vibrations in this week. We have the new moon, and we've had this the planet's Schumann resonance, which is the heartbeat of the planet, the frequency at which the earth vibrates, that's rising, that's been rising. And when this frequency rises, then a lot of movement takes place. So we have a card here which reflects these energies and the effects of these energies. The card is Seven of Swords, the Seven of Clouds in this deck, and it's written there politics. And we have a snake here, and we have a face here which is a mask, and beyond the mask is another face which doesn't look too good, and the card says politics. So we have these energies somewhere playing in the background. It's about something in the background. The front is a facade, the front is a mask, and it is masking something which is the truth. And the suggestion of the cards to us is to go beyond this mask, to unmask and look at the truth, to look at things deeply, to look at what is behind. And sometimes this card can tell us about deception, deceptive energies working, which are not true, and which would keep us on the falsehood. So it could be a betrayal, it could be the energies which need to be examined well, not take things on the face value, but look at it deeply and see what is behind. And especially now with these energies, the Schumann resonance of the planet is high. So we have a lot of energy movement. We have energies coming in and the old energies going out. So it creates a kind of a lot of movement. Sometimes these two different type of energies, these conflicting energies we may come across. So an energy which is trying to leave, and new energy which is coming to take that place. So there may be some, I would not say a battle, but definitely some kind of an energy work going on. So a mask which wants to stay, which wants to show itself, and which wants to show that it is what it is. But behind the mask, it's an energy which wants to reveal. And this energy which wants to reveal could be your shadow side. It could be our shadow side. And what is the shadow side? Shadow side is something that we normally hide in our day-to-day lives about ourselves. It could be our deepest fears, it could be our motives, it could be uh, anything about aspects of our personality which we would not want to reveal. So, time to shine the light on those shadow aspects. Acknowledge the deepest of fears. And the simplest practice for acknowledging these fears, acknowledging our deeper motives, is to write them down. We can write down our fears, we can write down whatever uh, does not serve us, and we can make a list, and then we can burn it in the candle flame or whatever way. So it's like shining the light on the shadow, on the mask, and bringing the truth outside. So that's very important in this time. So the card tells us that listen to your intuition. The times may be difficult, in the sense challenging, but with all these energies working, conflicting energies working, we may feel even anxious. There may be an underlying anxiety, there may be some health issue, or there may be something which is fear based, or something which is unnerving us. It can be a fear of the future, fear of what is coming ahead. But the time is breathe deeply. Very important practice right now, breathing deeply, connecting to your center, to your heart center, connecting to your intuition, and then setting your intentions, setting your goals, and then working accordingly. Seeing deeply what we want exactly in our lives. This is a moment of transition. This is a moment of a reset happening. This is the reset moment right now. So, looking at it from this point of view and seeing where we want to head now from this point onwards. So, that's what the card is telling us to do. Looking deeper and then setting our intentions. We have the new moon, so the new moon can be dark, so but not to be challenged, but keep our energies strong, keep our light beams strong, keep shining our lights, and setting our intentions and moving forward. And this workshop, this 5-day meditation WhatsApp workshop, where we are going to learn different processes, that meditation processes will help you, will help all of us in this movement forward. Help us to not only raise our energy levels, but to bring that clarity, that focus, that intuition, whereby we can see things better, plan our actions better. So do register in this workshop and enjoy the processes which have been brought together especially for this 5-day module. So do register and do enjoy the benefits of this workshop. I will see you again in different events throughout this week. We will have